Hello everyone! Welcome sa Kusina Sarangani. Hashtag is the best. Today, we're making another wonderful recipe na madaling gawin for breakfast. Ang tawag natin dito ay smoked fish breakfast sunriser. Okay, let's get our toasted English muffin. You may also use Pandesal, just split it in half and then toast it. And then what I'm going to do is to act as a base and to keep the things all together. We're going to put about a teaspoon of mayonnaise, and then let's put a lettuce leaf. Okay, over there. We're going to add our toasted smoked milkfish. It's a very nice texture of crisp and very light flavors. Okay, scrambled egg. Do not overcook your scrambled egg. Just make it, a little bit runny because they continue to cook even if you take them out of the pan. Right, so top it with scrambled egg. Some grated cheese. This is cheddar cheese. You can use mild or you can even use the sharp cheddar cheese. Next will be your sliced tomatoes. Little bit of spring onion on top, and then some sprouts. And that's your smoked fish breakfast sunriser. Wasn't that an easy to prepare breakfast idea? Napakadali, di ba? Basta panoorin nyo lang po ang Kusina Sarangani on Facebook at Instagram. Hashtag is the best. Bye! See you again!